A water consumer group is raising red flags over the Villar family's sale of Prime Water to Lucio Company's firm. The group says it's willing to talk with the new owners but warns the government should fund local water utilities instead of relying solely on privatization. Paolo Barcelon reports.
The Water for the People network criticized the sale of Prime Water by the Villar family to a company owned by retail tycoon and billionario Lucio Co. According to WPN spokesperson Leo Esperimbergo, the Villars appear to be simply evading responsibility, especially as Prime Water remains in hot water over reports of poor service in several of its joint venture areas with local water districts.
Ang masama pa nito ngayon, yung mayroon ng responsibilidad na dapat marami na siyang pananagutan para sa ginawa niya sa joint venture, ngayon iiwasan lamang niya sa pagbebenta sa iba pang mga katulad niya. Ibebenta kay Lucio Co.
Just last November, San Jose del Monte City in Bulacan withdrew from its joint venture agreement with Prime Water. According to San Jose del Monte City Mayor Rida Robes, the city's water district is now searching for a new provider, while the local government continues to assist residents who still struggle to access water supply. San Jose del Monte City is one of more than 70 water districts in the Philippines that have joint ventures with Prime Water, and is one of the water districts that have already withdrawn from their joint venture agreement with Prime Water. Esperimbergo adds they are open to dialogues with the Co family, but he says it would be better if responsibility for local water utilities is returned to the government.
Matayang serbisyong panlipunan po ang tubig. Di ba? 60% ng katawan ng tao ay tubig, 75% ng utak natin ay tubig. Kaya pag walang tubig, patay ka. So, dapat yun yung pangunahing pananagutan ng pamahalaan, yung kanyang tungkulin para sa kanyang mga mamamayan na tugunan yung problema ng serbisyo sa tubig.
The group also adds that the government should allocate funds for local water utilities from money recovered from those involved in the flood control scandal.
May mga percentage na ibabalik, dapat maglaan yung pamahalaan para dito. Kaya ang isang po pwede namin panawagan sa mga LGU, yung mga local government, ay di dapat tulungan nila itong mga water districts sa kanilang mga lugar para maipaayos ito.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says the pursuit of accountability for Prime Water's missteps will continue. Malacanang also says the Local Water Utilities Administration or LUA will issue a memorandum to ensure that customers of water concessionaires will not be disconnected.
Ang mga lapses or liabilities ng Prime Water as the management, kung ano po ang kanilang maaaring mga kakulangan o naging liabilities ay dapat pong mapanagot. Ang mga consumers po ay hindi dapat singilin kung wala naman po talagang serbisyong na ibibigay ang Prime Water.
Prime Water has yet to respond to questions from Billionario News Channel regarding the sale of the company to Lucio Co's group. Mr. Co's Crystal Bridges Holding Corporation earlier said they will take over Prime Water's operations, including water joint ventures, septage, and wastewater management services. Paolo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.